Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Holden Malibu CD, stock reference number 5632. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid has no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tired E3 spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.